Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft fonts onto Ubuntu so that you can use them within applications such as LibreOffice Writer. So if I open LibreOffice Writer, you can see that when I scroll down I have a set of fonts, but none of them are the same ones that you'd get with Microsoft Word. There's no Arial, for instance, no Trebuchet, no Verdana, no Times New Roman. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get those added into Ubuntu. So what we need to do first is open a terminal, and you can do that within Ubuntu by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T. You can also do it by opening the apps and typing term, or you can find it in the list of applications here, depending on how you have them organised. Once you have the terminal open, do sudo apt search mscore with an asterisk, enter your password, and you'll see there's a file here called ttf mscore fonts installer. So select that, right click and choose copy. Then at the cursor type sudo apt install, right click and choose paste, and then press return. Press the tab key to select OK on the end user license agreement, press return, and then at the EULA license terms press the tab key again to select yes and press return. When the process has finished, you should see the words all done and no errors. You should also see all fonts downloaded and installed. You can now close this window. If we open LibreOffice Writer, you should now see all the fonts that you were expecting, like Arial, Comic Sans, Courier New, Times New Roman, Trebuchet and Verdana. And that's how you install Microsoft fonts in Ubuntu. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux User.